Rome test number 2. Read each question below. Select the correct response. You may use your notes. When you are finished, click Submit at the end of this form. First, type your first name here. You will now type your last name here. Now you will select your cycle number. Number 1. Which leaders were in the first triumvirate? Crassus, Pompey, and Octavian? Crassus, Pompey, and Caesar? Or Crassus, Lepidus, and Caesar? Number 2. Which leader had the military post in Syria? Pompey, Crassus, or Caesar? Number 3. Which leader had the military post in Spain? Pompey, Crassus, or Caesar? Number 4. Which leader had the military post in Gaul? Pompey, Crassus, or Caesar? Number 5. Who won the admiration and support of the poorer classes in ancient Rome? Pompey, Crassus, or Caesar? Number 6. Which leader did the Senate support after the death of Crassus? Pompey, Caesar, or both? Number 7. When did Caesar crush Pompey's army in Greece? 40 BC, 44 BC, or 48 BC? Number 8. What are some of Caesar's reforms? Created jobs for the unemployed, ordered landowners using slave labor to hire more free workers, or both? Number 9. Who killed Julius Caesar? The consuls, the senators, the Praetorian Guard? Number 10. Which leaders were in the second triumvirate? Antony, Lepidus, and Caesar? Antony, Lepidus, and Octavian? Or Cleopatra, Lepidus, and Octavian? Number 11. Why did the second triumvirate end? Crassus died in battle, Caesar was murdered, or Lepidus retired from politics? Number 12. Who formed an alliance with Cleopatra? Antony, Octavian, or Lepidus? 13. What happened during the Battle of Actium? Octavian defeated Antony's resources, Antony defeated Octavian's forces, or Lepidus defeated Antony's forces? 14. How did Egypt become Roman territory? Cleopatra became Queen of Egypt, Octavian captured Alexandria, or Antony captured Alexandria? 15. Who consented to name Octavian consul, tribune, and commander-in-chief for life? The dictator, the council, or the Senate? 16. What title did Octavian take when he became the first emperor of Rome? Marcus, Julius, or Augustus? 17. How long was the Pax Romana period in ancient Rome? 40 years, 100 years, 200 years? 18. Which Roman leader constructed the Colosseum? Caligula, Vespasian, or Titus? 20. 19. Which of the 5 good emperors expanded the Roman Empire to maximum size? Nerva, Trajan, Hadrian. 20. Which of the 5 good emperors made money available so that the poor children could receive an education? Nerva, Trajan, Hadrian. 21. What was the most important economic activity in the Roman Empire? Industry or agriculture? 22. Who was the last emperor during the Pax Romana period? Julius Caesar, Augustus Caesar, Marcus Aurelius. 23. What ruler divided the Roman Empire into 4 parts? Theodosius, Diocletian, or Constantine? 24. What ruler divided the Roman Empire into 2 parts? Theodosius, Diocletian, or Constantine? And 25. What became the Byzantine Empire? The Western Roman Empire or the Eastern Roman Empire?